With its cutting-edge technology and roomy cabin, the 2026 Toyota Sienna keeps surprising. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, which includes technologies like dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, is standard on all models. A panoramic sunroof, premium sound system, and an intuitive infotainment system that is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are all available inside the Sienna's roomy and comfortable cabin. The 2026 Sienna's standard hybrid engine is one of its main selling points. Families who drive often may find this system to be a cost-effective option because to its remarkable fuel economy. The Sienna's well-tuned suspension and peaceful interior also contribute to a pleasant and sophisticated ride. The Sienna's roomy cabin, flexible seating options, and large cargo area make it ideal for lengthy road trips or daily commutes with plenty of room for everyone's possessions. A variety of trim levels are available for the 2026 Toyota Sienna, each with its own set of standard and optional amenities. Leather upholstery, a high-quality sound system, and sophisticated driver assistance technology are available on higher trim levels, while the base model offers a sturdy foundation with necessary amenities. It is believed that the 2026 Sienna will have pricing that is competitive with other minivans on the market. With an attractive blend of functionality, speed, and security, the 2026 Toyota Sienna challenges other minivans in the market. Ideal for families in search of a dependable and fuel-efficient vehicle, it boasts a roomy cabin, standard hybrid powertrain, and extensive safety features. The 2026 model year's price is still a mystery, but it's safe to assume it will be comparable to, or slightly more than, the 2025 model year's price, depending on the features and trim level you choose.